Hi there. In this lesson, we will continue competitive research with the help of the Advertising Research Report. What can you do with this report?
First, you can determine which positions your competitors are ranking in Google paid search, what keywords they are ranking for, and get budget estimates of your competition's AdWords expenditures.
Second, SEMrush allows you to explore a competitor's ads and see the content of those ads for the past year.
Third, you're able to see your competition's new, lost, improved, and declined positions for the keywords they were bidding. This allows you to see where your competition might be modifying their pay-per-click strategy.
Finally, you can enrich your competitors list by discovering websites that compete for the same keywords that you do. Now we're going to find out more about our competitor by using the Advertising Research Report. Let's explore it. To access the report, click the appropriate role on the left-hand navigation menu. Then type your competitor's domain name into the search bar. By default, you'll be redirected to the Positions report. There you will see the main page metrics for the domain in question, the number of paid keywords that domain is bidding on, the estimation of the traffic coming from these paid keywords, and the estimation of the domain's monthly traffic cost. This data gives you more of an idea on how much a certain competitor is spending on their AdWords campaigns, as well as the amount of traffic they get in return. To the right of these metrics, you'll see the graph displaying the domain's traffic, keywords, and traffic cost trends. These trends reflect your competitor's long-term, mid-term, and short-term advertising strategies. Below is a list of keywords your competitor is bidding on. Adjust it by sorting and by applying basic or advanced filters. For example, we want to get the list of non-branded keywords that bring more paid traffic in order to eventually use them in our campaigns. Now let's exclude keywords containing the term Pizza Hut and sort by the traffic share. Also, you can see the ads for every keyword within the list by hovering over the yellow ad icon in the second column. You can see your competitors' ad copies at a glance. A few words about the competitive density metric. This is a relative number that shows how many competitors are bidding on a certain keyword in Google AdWords. 1 means there's a lot of competition, while 0 means you can get a high ranking pretty much effortlessly. You will have to decide which keywords to target based on which keywords are already ranking highly and the competitive density for those keywords. After you have found the scope of the keywords for your campaign, you can save them with the SEMrush Export Manager. You can use this feature in any SEMrush report to keep all findings in one place. With Google going mobile, it became crucial not to overlook your competitors' mobile PPC strategies. Click the Mobile button and you will see the same paid keywords and metrics for mobile devices. To see the query domain's position changes within Google's top AdWords on a daily basis, go to the Position Changes report. It will help you find out how your competition fine-tunes their advertising strategies. There are 4 main sections within the report: New, Lost, Improved, Declined. Within these sections, you'll find your competitors' new keywords as well as those lost over time. You'll be able to see their keyword dynamics, meaning the keywords that have improved their positions as well as those keywords that were not performing. Digging deeper into your competitor's advertising strategy, you should go and look at the Ad Copies report. You'll be able to see all of your competition's ads sorted by the number of keywords seen on Google. Click the keywords to see the full list of the positions in the ad block where this copy appeared. If you're searching for ideas on a specific topic, go ahead and use the advanced filters for the title, text, or URL of the ads. Continuing to the Ad History Report, you'll be able to see your competitor's strategy for the last year, filter some seasonal trends, and estimate how intensively your competitor invests in promoting different types of products. With the help of the Subdomains report, you will see your competitor's best performing subdomains sorted by traffic share. See the keywords that a certain subdomain is ranking by clicking either on the keywords count or on the subdomain's name. There is a similar report where you can see the advertising data for a queried URL. To find new competitors and to better understand who competes with you in paid search, type your domain URL, dominoes.com, into the search bar and go to the Competitors report. You might consider some companies as your competitors, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they are your rivals in the paid block of the search engine results page. Paradoxically, some companies that are not your direct rivals might compete with you in the ad block. SEMrush will show you the list of companies who are competing with you for the same keywords in the ads block on the search engine results page. Let us look at the level of competition, a metric based on analysis of the number of keywords of each domain and the number of the domain's common keywords. By clicking on common keywords, you will be directed to the Keyword Gap tool, where you can explore them in more detail. We will learn about the tool in the next module. We can also see how many keywords the competitor shares with us and the number of keywords within the top 100 search results per domain. Let us close this video with a couple of additional tips and recommendations. First, as you may be aware, Google allows you to buy two main categories of ads, search and display. We've covered the Google Search Ad PPC here, but you can get some additional insights from the display side of the marketplace. We'll get acquainted with the Display Advertising Report in our next video. It is a great tool for discovering the style of ads that your competition is using, as well as the landing pages. You can even see the advertising sorted by device type, which is an incredibly useful tool if you're targeting a specific platform. For example, Apple iPhone users.
Finally, if you are new to the platform, or even if you need a little refresher course, do not forget to click the tutorial buttons shown within the various tool pages. They display the latest changes and tips for SEMrush experts.
Let's wrap it up. This lesson was about the Advertising Research Report, which helps you learn which strategies your competitors are using in their Google paid search campaigns. It provides you with limitless data, which can become a starting point in your competitive research.